one and the track lights. Now, since this is cylindrical, what is our stroke? Horizontal or vertical? Pag cylindrical, this is cylindrical. Vertical, okay? Why? Because if you do horizontal, it doesn't define the shape, so it has to be vertical. Now, since our light source is this window, we will use this part here on the left side as the darker part. Okay? Now, for our chrome, we have C11, CO6, CO3, 330, 341, and our blender and white pencil. Okay? Now, if you notice, the chrome is supposed to be like silvery, diba? Now, why do we have blue tone like 330 and 341? Before kasi, when you render chrome, before we associate chrome with the bumpers of the cars, diba? Now, since the bumpers of the cars are outside, so it has a reflection of the sky. That explains why we have blue tone. Okay? And when you render that with white pencil, because it comes out silvery. So, you start with the C11. C11 here. Blend the C11 using your CO6. Blend the CO6 using your CO3. Blend the CO3 using your 330. So somehow we are creating a blue tone there. Then blend the 330 using your E41. Okay? And then white pencil. Ay, blender muna natin yung E41. Okay, and then white pencil. Okay, so yun ang effect niya. Okay, now let us try here. So again, C11, CO6, white pencil. Okay? Yun. Now, let us try kung kunyari, the highlight is somewhere at the center. Okay? So, C11 on both sides. CO6. CO3. there. Now, let's say you are rendering a nighttime setting, okay? But our ano kasi is daytime. That's why that explains why we have clouds. Now, how do you go about rendering yung lighting effect? Now, the lighting effect can be done after you have rendered everything. So it's like a finishing touch. So, kunyari, you have rendered everything na. So how do you go about with that lighting effect? So something like this. Actually, that is just white pencil. So how do you do that? Render everything first before you apply. So what you do is actually you just place your straight edge on one side, and then of course render white pencil. Now of course when you are near the light source it is bright. Once you go farther from the light source, it diminishes. Okay, your white diminishes. So it's just that exert pressure here. Okay. And then you release the pressure. You are far from the light source. Like that. Okay. Then do it on the other side. Again. Pressure. Add pressure. Now once you get farther from the light source, you release the pressure until the white releases. Okay, so there. So what happens is that after you have rendered everything, this portion here where you have that beam of light becomes lighter compared to that part there. Okay? The others would do it this way. They will make a line like that, and then a line like that, and then they render it like, they render within that those two lines. Now, yung kasi, medyo matigas yung line. Now, if you notice this one, there is a soft beam of light. Effect niya. Diba? There's no hard edge on the sides. Okay? Of course, do not do it here. You need not to because this is daytime setting. You don't open the lights. Okay? So, that is for the lighting effect. If you're doing a nighttime setting. So, after chrome, we have clouds. Now, you will render the clouds at the back.